Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Kindred Souls of Brooklyn, and a little bit of a rough day today for Carrie and I, but nothing. So anyway, we are here today at Mama G's Bakery here in Sarasota on Tamiami Trail. Like I say, a bit of a rough day, so when you have a rough day, what do? You go for chocolate, right? So you guys get this right here, Mama G's Bakery, right on Tamiami Trail. We're gonna meet the owner, Yolanda. It's gonna be really cool, so just to give you a little exterior, and you're gonna absolutely love what you're gonna see in here. So this is the inside. We're gonna meet Yolanda, who's one of the, I think, the owner's daughter, and she's gonna show us all the incredible stuff. But just to give you a really great idea of what's in here, Faith Food Family. They have another place. This just opened November 1st, so we're in January of 2025. But we're gonna get the whole scoop from Yolanda in just a minute, so stay tuned. So hey, we're here with Yolanda, who's the daughter of the owner, Mama G's, right?
Yes. Hi.
Hey, Yolanda, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Can you tell us a little bit of the story, the background of the store and how you opened?
Yes, of course. So Mama G's has been around for 10 years. Our first location was by the Sarasota Airport. From there, we've grown. We have 2 in St. Petersburg that my sister and her husband run. Then we have our new college location, and then 2 years ago we took over the bread company from the Bavarian Bread. It's next to Simon's. So we do a lot of breads for Detweiler's, Morton's Market, Marina Jack's, and then November 1st of 2024 we took over the space. We've been here ever since. We come from a long range of bakers and things like that.
What part of Germany do you originally come from? Munich, okay.
Yes, so Bavaria.
Do you sell the Bienenstich here too?
We do, yes. Fridays and Saturdays at all of our locations we do.
And Bienenstich means bee sting, right?
Yes, that's correct.
And I think the history of that there was like a raid on a village, and the bees attacked the attackers, and the bee sting, that's how that got its name, right?
Yes, I believe, yes.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
So what can you tell us about your place and your products? And
so we're known for a lot of our strudels. So we have like an apple strudel, nut strudel, hot basic strudel, or cheese strudel. Our most popular is probably our apple strudel. So it's fresh apples with almonds, cinnamon, sugar, and raisins. Our nut strudel is also a very popular one, which is walnuts and pecans.
Okay.
At this location, we started doing the Black
Let's
Forest, which is right here.
Give us a little tour. These look amazing. So what do we got?
This right here is a Black Forest, which is probably an all-time favorite for any German or any American that come in here.
I love it.
For sure.
I'm not German. I'm Irish and Lebanese, but I love chocolate.
That one's good. I promise.
Okay, I got one of those.
Yes. Our German apple pie is a recipe from my great grandmother.
Okay.
Passed down. So it's a butter shortbread with fresh apple, cinnamon, sugar, and another butter shortbread on top. So that is also a fan favorite, just because all of our products are not too sweet, and they look like they're sweet.
Yeah.
But they're nothing compared to like an American pastry. We use all of our ingredients. We use real butter in all of our products. Our breads are no preservatives, no eggs, no oil, no sugar, no butter, none of that.
So it's better for like diabetic people and like healthier and stuff.
Healthier. We do have a couple like gluten-free options that we do that a lot of people do enjoy. So it's just, yeah.
Okay, what else you have here? It looks amazing.
We have a flourless chocolate cake.
Okay.
This is our apple strudel right here.
Which
middle one?
The middle one, that one?
This one right here is our apple strudel.
Okay.
And then
what do we have over here?
So over here, in German, there's a tradition called Carnival. So we do a lot of like sweet pretzels. This is a Nutella box. It has fresh Nutella inside.
Okay.
This is a pastry with powdered sugar on top. Okay.
So Yolanda's letting us come over here to get a better view.
Yes. So we do a lot of savory items like the Cuban, ham and cheese, turkey, spinach, tomato.
Wow.
Which is our everyday products. We do egg scrambles for people that want scrambled eggs in the morning or throughout the day.
And that's what that is, sausages.
That's what these are, yeah. So sausage, we have bacon, we have a pepper onion. We have an apple Danish that a lot of people do enjoy. Chocolate croissants are really popular.
Wow.
Yeah.
What are your hours here, Yolanda? You're saying?
Our hours at this location is 6 to 4, Monday through Saturday. We're closed Sundays. Same as our airport location. And our St. Pete location, the Kansas City one, is from 7 to 3, and our central is from 8 to 3.
Okay,
Yeah.
and awesome. These
Yes.
look incredible.
Well,
So,
thank you.
and what about these? This is all jam and stuff?
So this is a guava and cheese. This is a blueberry Danish. This is a multigrain croissant. Things like that.
Wow. And these guys, what are these?
So this is like the German carnival. So these are like sweet pretzels. Then this is a cronut. This is a cronut. And then this is a like filled donut with a vanilla jam. With
Wow.
vanilla jelly.
I think we got a couple of those to try
Yes.
out. And what do you have here on the bread side? So Drew's gonna, Yolanda's gonna tell us about the breads. Drew is the other nice
Yes.
lady.
So this is our Bavarian multigrain, which is probably our most popular. It's a buckwheat flour, rye flour. We have a black forest, which is 80% rye and 20% white flour. We have our Jewish rye, which is also 80-20, but it has the caraway seeds. We
Okay.
have a lot of different rolls, olive rolls, whole wheat rolls, things like that.
Pretzel rolls, look at those. Wow.
Yes, we have pretzel rolls,
Oh my God.
pretzels. We have olive bread, cheese bread. We have a sesame semolina, and we also have a light wheat. We also do a lot of popular ones, which is like the cranberry walnut, the rosemary focaccia, and things like that.
Amazing. I mean,
Yes.
what a talent. I
Well,
mean,
thank
just
you.
this is just incredible. I mean, this is somewhere everyone has to come out to, and obviously you do parties. You work with all the restaurants you were saying,
Yes,
and
yes.
supermarkets. I mean, we
Yes.
wish you nothing but love and
Well, thank you
blessings in
so
the
much.
2025. And man, we thank you for letting us come in and
Thank you, no
welcoming us in.
problem.
You're
Thank
the
you.
best. Everyone's got to come down to see Yolanda and company here.
Well, thank you so much.
You're
It was nice
welcome.
meeting you.
Anytime. So a great big thank you to Yolanda. We really want to thank her for welcoming us in to the place. Like I said, it was a rough day today. And anyway, just to show you a little bit about the place. Again, it's beautiful. It's got, I'll just give you a little. So this is the inside here. Then they have another space down on this side where you could come. It's quite big. As you can see, it's right off of Tamiami Trail. And this is, you know, like right here. So you see a full view of it. And you have like nice little subtle German theming here with the barley, and you see like the German flag is out. Some religious theming here. Really, really nice. Really beautiful space. There you go. And you can see how close we are right on Tamiami Trail. I'll put the address on in the beginning. But as you can see, Mama G's. And there's some of your smoothie specials. Look at that.
Which is a sugar. So we don't do anything.
There you go. And as you can see, it was recently New Year. So just an incredible, incredible place. So once again, thank you for joining us today. We really appreciate it. So we're going to close products here. So thank you for joining us today. Love you guys, girls, guys, everybody out there. And from Al and Kerry, signing off today from Mama G's here in Sarasota on Tamiami Trail. And look at this guy. It's pretty cool. Thank you, everybody. Have a great day. Bye now.